Hello everyone, I'm Samantha and I will show you how to join Public Media as an author and post content to get immediate rewards. Connect to public.site and join as an author. To do this, click on Join to begin the registration process. You will receive a confirmation link after entering your email. Click on it to continue. A recovery phrase is provided to recover your password if you forget it. It is very important to keep this phrase safe on or offline. Once you've entered a secure password, you will immediately be taken to PUBLIQ Publisher's homepage as an author. Click on the author's icon at the top right to access all the functionality one needs to get going. Profile section allows you to personalize your public account. Click on New Story to start creating your first content. Use the tutorial if you need to understand any feature better. Once I type a title, add tags, both are a must to enable publishing, and a headline. I can now start writing the story using the user-friendly and simple CMS platform PUBLIQ provides. To add a photo or a video link, use the plus sign on the left. Add a photo header if you wish. You are now good to publish it, or you may leave it as a draft to work on it later. You can also boost your content by spending a certain amount of PBQ for a particular period. As the article is posted, others are able to view, like or dislike, or share. As you can see, my article is already on the platform. So reading any article on PUBLIQ, clicking to like it or sharing it, adds to the author's reputation, which means more PBQ tokens in his or her wallet. Authors can also create publications where they can group both their stories as well as invite other authors and editors to join the post. We will simply make a publication called Blockchain and post on it the article we just created. Go to My Stories to retrieve it. You can learn how PUBLIQ calculates both the reputation score and related real-time share of the author by reading PUBLIQ's white paper through the following link. Now the magic bit. Click on the P sign at the top right, which represents PUBLIQ's utility token, the PBQ, and thereafter on My Transactions. A ledger is showing PBQ's rewards received every 10 minutes sharp for your posted content and feedback based on your real-time share. You may receive PBQ tokens from others or send PBQs to other users going through relevant functions in your wallet. Clicking on author's name, you can see real-time reputation of the author in PUBLIQ. This represents a real-time share of the author in the 100% PBQ revenue distributed by PUBLIQ instantly. Both revenue from advertising and newly issued tokens are distributed. This is visible with two separate amounts received at the same time. Head on over to explorer.public.network to see PUBLIQ Blockchain Network in action. Once a block is issued, it may be traced through the Explorer. Earned PBQs may be converted into fiat and other cryptocurrencies, providing a real source of revenue to content creators and publishers. Hopefully this video was helpful in showing functionality of PUBLIQ Media Platform. We invite you to also join to become an owner of PUBLIQ Media.